Yep.
Is that baby crying?
No.
It's not? It's not going quack, quack.
Baby.
Oh, you're the baby?
Yeah.
Oh. I thought you were a big girl.
So you're still working for the tax man? Did you work for him for a while? Okay.
Yeah, it feels like doing business now. That's going really well.
She's drinking it like it's like ice cream. Look at her. Isn't that hot? It is to me.
Hi.
Yeah. It's hot. It's good, huh? Look at the napkin. It's like covered in it.
Banana.
You want a chippy? Did you know she keeps the chips in the salsa? They just sit in there and soak.
Hand. Hand.
Sun.
Oh, the sun. Yeah. Very good. Very smart.
Well, it feels like just yesterday. They were saying,
Look.
Yeah. What's Winnie the Pooh's favorite food?
Good.
Is it honey?
Honey.
Honey? Can I help you? I'll grab another napkin from you. Maybe 2 napkins. Holy smokes.